The control of these algorithms could have profound implications on the freedom and future of play. Another concern is privacy. In an age where data is the new gold, we must ensure that playground technologies don't collect excessive data or infringe on children's privacy. We need to protect our children from becoming mere data points in the vast digital landscape. And then there's the balance between technological innovation and unstructured play. While technology can enhance safety and accessibility, it should not overshadow the inherent freedom and creativity of unstructured play. The joy of play lies in its unpredictability, in the thrill of exploration, and in the delight of shared imagination. Navigating this playful labyrinth requires a collaborative approach. We need urban planners, child development experts, educators, parents, and children themselves to define the parameters of responsible AI-driven playground design. Public engagement and transparency are crucial to ensure that these technologies enhance, not replace, the magic of spontaneous play. Navigating this playful labyrinth requires a collaborative approach, with public engagement and transparency as key factors. So, what does the future hold for playgrounds in the age of AI, you might ask? The ultimate goal of AI in playground design isn't to churn out data-driven playthings or predict every child's move. Instead, it's about enhancing the joy of free exploration and shared imagination. AI can serve as a powerful tool for understanding children's needs. By analyzing play patterns, it can help create a dynamic playground that evolves with the child's growth. It can foster accessibility, ensuring all children, regardless of their abilities, can join the fun. Safety, too, is a key focus. AI can predict potential safety hazards in real time, preventing injuries before they happen. It's a blend of technology and care, a symbiosis of algorithms and empathy. By harnessing the power of AI, we can create vibrant playgrounds where childhood memories are made, brick by pixel and laugh by algorithm. The playgrounds of the future are not just spaces, but experiences, tailored to ignite sparks of creativity and foster